Rob Frazier here. So this video, I want to talk a little bit about TextBot and also the multiple income funnel. TextBot is the third income stream within the multiple income funnel, and Aweber. So a number of folks I know out there in internet affiliate marketing, online marketing land, some people use Aweber, some people use GetResponse. I'm one of those nuts who actually use both. But with Aweber, sometimes they don't like certain opportunities being easy. Had to pause the video to get my little pal Nico because he's starting to chirp off in the background. So, talking about TextBot, Aweber, multiple income funnel, a lot of folks I know are using Aweber in their affiliate marketing, but Aweber sometimes they basically will shut you down for promoting different opportunities that they deem inappropriate, unfit, doesn't align with their ideals, whatever the case may be. They're an autoresponder service, but at the same time, they don't like you using their autoresponder service for different types of businesses. Now, who makes them the judge of whether an opportunity is appropriate or not? Anyway, that's beside the point. But this is something that I do because, I put out there that I'm going to be leading with multiple income funnel basically for the rest of this year. And in this video, I kind of want to talk about a number of things. How I'm working around that Aweber issue, and also how I'm using the multiple income funnel to promote different opportunities on the back end. And basically how I'm doing this, because a lot of people say, well, can I promote other opportunities? And I'm going to answer that in a bit. So first, how I work around the Aweber deal is I use the Power Lead system. And when you go through my Fast Start training here, I talk about it, how to promote multiple income funnel using Lead Lightning. Lead Lightning is the stripped down version of Power Lead system. Power Lead system is the full-blown, all the bells and whistles. Lead Lightning is the one-time $7 portion of that. Obviously, a lot less features, but you get the point. So I use Lead Lightning Power Lead system first. And also TextBot, wrong screen here, TextBot, one of the income streams within the multiple income funnel, we have a Power Lead system share code for it. So what that means is I use Power Lead system with my TextBot share code. What that simply means is within the Power Lead system, there's something called a share code you can program in, and this is our TextBot sales, one of the TextBot sales funnels. We have multiple funnels, and the bird is acting all wild because I'm talking loud. But regardless, it is what the wife wants to live in a zoo, and I'm trying to film a bit, still keep my business going in a zoo, and here it is. So basically, this is one of the share codes that combines TextBot and Power Lead system. So I promote this to my Aweber list 100%. So I send it to a Power Lead system capture page. When people opt in, they see the TextBot opportunity. And then I'll email them both, TextBot, Lead Lightning, TextBot, Lead Lightning, right? Once people engage with TextBot, they actually have to put in their phone number to see how the system works. And that is how I promote the multiple income funnel. Put your wings down. So when people text my TextBot system, they're going to get the automated text messages from Ava. They're going to have a conversation. And in the back office of TextBot, they have a place for you to put your primary business. And I should have pulled it up right here, but you get the point. I'll do another video about where to put your primary business and different things like that in the back office of TextBot. But what I do is when people become leads, they'll text TextBot, and TextBot is how I send out my multiple income funnel replicated link. So I'm not sending it through the email, I'm sending it through text message. So hopefully that makes sense. And doing that, basically, Aweber's fine with TextBot, Aweber's fine with Power Lead system. And so to my Aweber list, I only email this funnel right here 100%. And you may say, well, that's a lot less people seeing your multiple income funnel link. Yes, but the people who do see my multiple income funnel link are more so involved with me and open to communication, because now they're getting emails from me and they're getting text messages from me. And so also with Ava, with TextBot, Ava is the bot that they call it, automated virtual assistant. Ava automatically sends out your TextBot referral link and your primary business link, which is in my case the multiple income funnel. So I'm not emailing my Aweber leads, multiple income funnel, easy one up, any of those programs. I'm just emailing TextBot 100%. And then once that people check out TextBot, then they get hit with the multiple income funnel through their phone. And that's how I do that. And also, once people join me in multiple income funnel, I share my fast start training here, where I talk about all of these different things. And I include my perpetual traffic plan. Now, my perpetual traffic plan and money flow and retirement plan is how I promote my multiple streams of income, because everything I promote is basically taking people along a journey. So TextBot, the idea is to get $100 commissions daily paid to you directly, and then from that we have a plan, and I call it a money flow and retirement plan. So with this is how I promote different streams of income. I promote different trading, learning how to trade, learning how to take a percentage of your money, put some into your bank account, put some into your traffic, and put some into your trading accounts. And then you can either learn how to trade for yourself, which is also an affiliate marketing opportunity, or you can put it and have a bot trade your crypto in your own personal account for you, which is another program that I'm an affiliate for. And so everything, I'm promoting my different streams of income, but it's on the back end. And this is the full plan that I do. I also talk about different sources of paid traffic, which is also other streams of income that I promote. So again, hopefully you can see that's how I promote multiple streams of income on the back end, by just sharing people my full-on plan. And that's it. So hopefully you got some value out of that. Hopefully I answered that question of how I use multiple income funnel to promote multiple things. And this is how I do it. Everything I have is in a plan. I don't just join programs randomly. If I join a program, there's a purpose behind it. So for example, down here, why did I join? I joined a program called iCoin Pro. I joined iCoin Pro to learn how to trade crypto. So what I do is I take a percentage of my profits off the top, I put a certain percentage in a crypto trading account, and then I have an affiliate marketing opportunity that teaches people how to trade. And so I trade, and then I do affiliate marketing. And that's my plan, and it's part of the bigger plan, but I don't promote iCoin Pro first. You see what I'm saying? It's always on the back end. And so when people come here and go through my detailed plan, they'll see how it works. So wrapping this video up, don't want it to be too long. Want more information, you'll see my capture page in the description. You click on that, opt in. You'll see how I have everything set up. Get on my email list, you get in my Facebook group. I talk about this plan, I go over it, and I look forward to working with you. That's what I'm doing, that's my plan, I'm sticking to it. If you got a plan, in the Marine Corps, prior proper planning prevents piss poor performance. That shit is the truth. Pardon my language. Name's Rob Frazier. Links in the description. See you in the next video. Also, Nico. Say goodbye. We'll see you in the next video.